welcome to our home. And with the home, that means somebody's mowing their lawn outside, so come in so we can actually hear each other. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie if you are new here, and if you are not new here and you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an empty house tour, and I'm really light on the empty part because it's kind of semi-empty. I wanted to record before we moved anything into the place, but then moving happened and life happened and I didn't have time. I want to share with you guys our new home. So far, it is nowhere near completion. We've only been in here for about 5 days officially. I think it's kind of fun to share something before it's complete and something that's being worked on and something that's in progress. So this is our in progress home. I hope that you guys enjoy it. For the next couple of months of spring, I want to share with you guys a lot of home decor and how we're just progressing and moving and how we're decorating this space. So you guys can expect a lot of home improvement videos from me for the next couple of months. And then after that, we are going to be kicking off the summer with self-care summer again. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for self-care summer. And let me know in the comments specifically what type of home decor videos you guys would like to see. So now that we've rambled along, let's move on to the home tour. When you first enter, you have 3 different options. You can go 3 different ways. Let's go to the kitchen first. The kitchen is one of my favorite spots in the house. It is so light and airy and beautiful. I just want to spend all of my time in here. It's a super cloudy day, so I have every light on in the house for this video. I just love how much counter space we have. We have tons of storage here. Later on, I will give you guys a tour of absolutely everything and storage and best organization tips and all of that kind of stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick overview of the semi-empty home. So let's keep going. I absolutely love our new stovetop. It is so nice, and this kitchen alone just makes it so much nicer for us to cook because there's just so much more space. Our appliances are much more upgraded than any place that Alex and I have ever lived in LA. So this dishwasher is very silent. You can't even hear it when it's on, and it's incredible. Before Alex and I didn't have a dishwasher, and then when I moved in with Alex, our dishwasher was so incredibly loud. It sounded like someone was taking it and shaking it. So it's really nice to have a quiet one now. In this area, we have the washer and dryer, which is really nice because we didn't have our own washer and dryer before. So I've just been so happy about washing clothes because yeah, our apartment didn't have it before, but now this is like such a luxury. It's so simple, but it's so nice. And then we also have a small half bath right next to the laundry room, which is right next to the garage, which is a work in progress. We have a lot to do in there, so I won't show you guys the garage because garages are not that exciting anyways. In this little area of the house, we also have Alex's office, which is in order currently because he is working right now. This is probably the most completed space in the house because we
got guitars on the walls.
We got guitars on the walls. We have everything set up.
I'll help you get your office set up once you're done filming that video.
After you leave that area of the house, you come into the dining room, which we do not have a dining room table yet, so this is just a bunch of open floor space, which is kind of nice if you want to do some yoga. Lanka's been loving running around over here. We got a little fold-out table for when my parents were in town this past weekend. We just don't know what kind of table we want yet, so we're just taking our sweet time and picking one out. So let's go through here, and then we have Lanka's bed. Fun and exciting times. I just got him a darker bed because we had a white one before and his little paws would approach the bed and get dirt everywhere. So we decided to go with a darker one, and hopefully this one will last us. And then we move into our little nook that is our living room space. We brought this couch from our last place I put these 2 little plants here because I originally debated putting the TV above the fireplace, but we really love the fireplace to be kind of on its own and a little place that we can go and look at without looking at technology. And if we want to face this way, we don't need to see a television, and if we face this way, we see one. And it's like our moment to watch and like unplug if we want to. I added just some cozy pillows and blankets. I can never get enough blankets and pillows, especially on the couch, because it's just so comfy and so cozy. This is another one of my favorite places in the house because it's just so comfy. And we now have a fireplace, which is pretty much life-changing for us. We have always loved fireplaces wherever we go. At any Airbnb we ever rent, we always make sure we have a fireplace, so it's so nice to have one now here at home. We just had the fireplace on this morning, so we're taking advantage of having it on right now while it's colder in LA, because it's about to be summer very soon, and then we will not probably have it on very often. We have our coffee table that we brought from our last place, and we need to get a TV console. We don't know which one we want to use yet. We think we want a lower one, but we're not sure yet. So right now we just kind of have everything propped up on each other, and then we'll find a way to hide the wires with a new console. And yeah, we just put some of these photos up here, a little clock, and we added a surround sound. So we put the surround sound on these little shelves, and there's another one right over here. So the entertainment in this space is amazing. And I want a bigger fiddle leaf fig tree because this one won't grow and it just seems so small for this space. So I might move that one into my office. A little home decor tip if you have a fireplace, and I figured this out when I was in New Zealand because one of the Airbnbs we were staying at had it. Putting firewood in a basket like this, I just absolutely love it. There's something about the rusticness of it and then kind of like this modern basket style. I just love the two together, and I think it's really cute right by the fireplace like this. We can go to the patio now since it's right off of the dining room and living room. I have all of Lanka's stuff in this little basket right now. We have to buy patio furniture, so if any of you guys have recommendations on patio furniture, let us know, because we're not really sure what we want to do with this space out here yet. We bought these trees from Home Depot and we potted them, and we're really liking the way that it's looking. And we added these bistro lights here because it was really bare out here before. But now we just need to figure out exactly what we want to put out here in terms of furniture, and I want to garden all along here. I added these poppies and I love them so far, but I want to add a bunch more flowers all along there, and I want to add some veggies and tomato, and I want to have like a full garden to harvest, which would be amazing. And this one has been absolutely loving having all of this space out here. It's like his domain out here, and he's like the ruler of it, and he loves it. Huh. Yes. His lifestyle has completely upgraded as a dog, because before we did not have a backyard whatsoever and any outdoor space at all, so he has been so stoked about this move. These are indoor plants, but I just hung them out here for now because I don't have a place to put them yet, because again, we just moved in. All right, now come along with me. You guys are exiting the dining room area. I'm trying to give you guys a general idea of the layout. I just hope it makes sense with this video. When you enter the front door, you can go to the left here, our left, maybe your right. This is the other wing of the home. You can come down this hallway. We have some storage here. And then the first door here is our guest room, which right now only has a blow-up bed because we don't have a mattress yet for it. That's something else we need to get. But this is the room. It is bare right now. This is where my mom stayed when she was here. I plan on making this room so incredibly cozy so that people want to visit me all the time and stay for a very long time, because I want my friends and family to come stay with us and just like be so comfortable here. So I'm really, really excited to make this room just so cozy and organized and clean and comfy. When we leave that room, we go further down the hall to my office, which is also not done, but a work in progress. This is a desk and chair that I just got from World Market. I didn't have a workspace at our last place, so I needed to purchase this stuff so that I can work in this room. And I just have a bunch of stuff on the floor right now that I need to unbox. I did have time to organize my product and beauty stuff into these little baskets that I got at Home Goods. So that feels really good. And then I've been organizing my camera equipment on these two shelves that are right here, so that's really nice. And then this wall over here is probably going to be a backdrop for my videos. I'll probably sit here and then have the sunlight from the window come in. There's two windows in here, which is really great for natural sunlight for shooting videos. And then we are going to take a left right here into the guest bathroom, or our bathroom that has a bathtub here. So I added this little situation here from Home Goods so that I could just place some of our bath items on here. We have one bathtub. There's 3 bathrooms in total, but only one bathroom has a bath, the other one has a shower, and then the third one is a half bath, so it doesn't have a shower or bath. We love this wallpaper. I just think it's so beautiful. The nice thing about having a wallpaper like this is you don't have to do much to decorate the space because the wallpaper is a statement piece itself. Another home decor tip that I want to share with you guys is to buy bath mats without the rubber underneath, because these are so easy to wash. They're kind of like a really thick towel, and it just has made life so much easier because I feel like bath mats just get dirty so quickly, and when there's rubber underneath, I feel like they fall apart when you wash them. So that's the type of videos that I want to be doing right now, is just like all these little home decor tips. So I hope you guys like these little tips that I'm throwing into this. Right outside of the guest bathroom is our bedroom, which is the place that probably needs the most work. It's completely bare and still really unorganized. This is my closet to the left. I will show you guys inside of it later. Right now it's just all thrown together because moving is not easy. And then this is another closet right here that has Alex's stuff. It's nice that we have 2 separate closets on opposite sides of the walls. And then after you walk through that little hallway, it opens up into our bedroom. And there's not much happening in here right now. It's honestly just a bed right now. And then we have this little bathroom in here that we really love, right next to our bed, because I go pee in the middle of the night, so it's really nice to just like kind of roll over and go right here. And we really love the shower in here. It's really just kind of cozy, and it has a really nice rain shower head. And I have been able to somewhat organize my skincare cabinet. That is now mine and Alex's skincare cabinet, but all of the goods are in here currently. All right, now let's go back out. That is it for this quick little semi-empty house tour. I just wanted to let you guys know that we moved and that we will be doing a lot more home decor stuff on this channel. And I just wanted to show you guys the new space. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have tips for decoration, for organization, any advice you could give me, please let me know, because I have never had to fill a space this large before, and I hope you guys love it. I can't wait to keep creating more stuff in this new space. I feel re-inspired and just super excited to share more with you guys here. And just so you guys know, Self-Love Sunday, you've probably noticed it's not going up every Sunday right now. I'm doing a little break on that because we have the Soul Sugar podcast episodes going up every single Sunday. So if you didn't know, I started a podcast called Soul Sugar Podcast, and we post every Sunday around 9 a.m. So I hope you guys are loving that so far. The feedback has been amazing, and we are going to jump into self-care summer this summer, as I said at the beginning of the video. And for now, for the spring, you can expect home decor stuff all the way, gardening stuff, probably some recipes, because I'll be doing a lot more cooking here in this kitchen, and I think that that's all I need to tell you guys for now. Let's chat in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys very soon in a new video.